Hi everybody and welcome on this special video because this time it's not GeoGuessr but it's a challenge. How many European cities can I name? It's a challenge I see that some GeoGuessr players have done like Tolimpala, Calamity or Simi. And okay, I will try. I will try to see how many cities can I name. So it's a challenge in 1 hour. Um, already have done this like several years ago, so I know a bit the specificities uh, to type the cities and sometimes the name of the country if a city is in different countries. So yeah, and let's see if the thousand of hours I spent on GeoGuessr, obviously, but especially on games like Europa Universalis or Crusader Kings will be useful for me. Uh, okay, so I think I will end with France, obviously. Um, I will end with countries I know the most, like Spain, Italy, or Germany. Uh, to start, I don't know. Maybe there with Cyprus, and then I go up, and I go down. Then yes. So the timer. I have the timer here, which will make a beautiful sound at the end. And okay, okay, let's go. Okay. So Cyprus, Nicosia, Limassol. Turkey, Istanbul, Edirne, Lüleburgaz. Uh, yes, Greece, Athens, Sparta, Thessaloniki, Larissa, Lamia, I think, yes. I, I zoom, yes. Heraklion, Lacané. I don't know the English name. Sometimes I will do French names or in original language because I don't know the English name, like Corfu. Um, what's then Rhodos, Rhodos, Piraeus, near Athens, I think. Yes. Ergotelis. It's a football team. Oh, it's not the name of the city. Um, Mykonos. Yes. No, it's not. With a, why? Yes. I think there is Trikala. Yes. Um, I don't see anything. There is a lot of cities that I know, but I will not remember during the challenge. It's stressful. So Albania, Tirana, Durrës, Shkoder, Elbasan, Kukës. Yes. Um, okay. North Macedonia, we have Skopje. We have Bitola. And yes, okay. Kosovo, we have Pristina. I know nothing else. I think, yes, no. Montenegro, we have Podgorica, Podgorica, and Kotor, like the video game. Uh, and that's all. I don't see anything else. Bosnia, Sarajevo, and as it's not in GeoGuessr, I don't know anything else. Serbia, we have Beograd, Novi Sad, Nice. What does in the north? Subotica, I think. Yes. Mm, there's something with K. Kruševac. Yes. Okay. Okay. Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Sofia. Plovdiv. Burgas, Varna. What is then? Vidin, yes. Pais. Oh no, Pais it's in Cyrillic. It's Rus. Yes. Pleven. Pleven. No, Constanta is in Romania. Okay. No, I don't see anything else. Romania. Bucharest. Iassi. Brasov. Constanta. Galanti. No, okay. Oh, no. In Italy, okay. But that's not that's not it. Cluj. Okay. Suceava. Timisoara. Hmm, Targu Mare. No, Targu. Oh, don't remember. Turges. Turges. No, no. I don't remember. Moldova. Chisinau. Tiraspol. Yes. Okay. Croatia. Zagreb. Split. Rijeka. Dubrovnik. What has it done? The cycling race, Umag. Isola. Yes. What is there? Yes, I don't know. Slovenia. Ljubljana. Celje. Maribor. Nova Gorica. I don't know. I don't know yet. Hungary. Budapest. Győr. Bex. Bax. No. Bex. What? Bex is Vienna. Okay. That's not. I think there is a city named Bex in Hungary. No. Okay. I missed something. Did I put? Yes. Szeged. Oops. Szeged. I don't know the pronunciation. Debrecen. Okay. Okay. Slovakia. We have Bratislava. Trenčín. Nitra. We have then nothing in the east that I remember. No, I don't know. Czechia, Praha, Brno, Ostrava, Pilsen. Okay. Poland, Warsaw, Katowice, Krakow, Gdańsk. What's the name again? Szczecin. No, I don't know how to spell it. Poznan. What else? Wrocław, Lublin, Lodz. Wait, yes, okay. Okay, Belarus, Minsk. Pinsk, yes, Pinsk and Minsk. Okay, Vitebsk. Gomel, Brest. Brest in Belarus. Ok. Non, Lithuania. Vilnius, Klaipėda, Kaunas, sure. And in football teams we have Šiauliai, yes. Okay. Latvia, Riga, Daugavpils, Liepaja, yes, and Ventspils, Ventspils, yes. Okay. Estonia, Tallinn, with double L. Tartu, okay. At the Russian border, Narva, yes. I don't see anything else. Okay. Ukraine. So Kiev, Kharkiv, Lviv, Donetsk, Zaporizhia. No, Zapo, Zaporizhia. Yes, okay. Zaporizhia, yes. Dniepr, Sébastopol, yes. Mariupol. Okay. What else? Lviv. Yes, Lviv. I done it. There. Kharkiv, Dniepro. I miss so much things. What is there? Don't remember. Finland. So Helsinki, Tampere, Oulu, Tarku. No, Turku. Yes. Rovaniemi. Okay. Sweden, Stockholm, Göteborg, Malmö, Uppsala. What is Umea, Luleå. Okay. And that's all. Norway, Oslo. Lillehammer. Lillehammer. Bergen. Tromsø. Trondheim. Narvik. There. What is there? I don't remember. Denmark, Copenhagen, Aarhus, and I don't remember anything else. Iceland, Reykjavik, Akureyri, okay, Vik, okay, Vik in Norway, Vik, Iceland. No, it's not. Is that Vik there? Okay, never mind. Feroe, Torshavn. Okay. Russia. Let's go. Moscow, St. Petersburg. Petersburg. Kronstadt. Kronstadt, Russia. Yes. Ryazan, Tver, Smolensk, Pskov. Okay, Arkhangelsk, Murmansk, Kazan, Vladimir, Tambov, Saratov, Sarama, No, Samara. Ufa. Euh, Astrakhan. Rostov. I miss so much things. Like yes, Sochi and near Adler. Um, Here, what? Mm, Novgorod, yes. Uh, yes. Nizhny Novgorod. Okay. What else? Okay. Yes. I don't remember. It's complicated for Russia. Okay. Then we have Austria. So Wien, it's already done. Linz, Graz, Salzburg, Innsbruck, Klagenfurt, Ster, Bregenz. What else? Wiener Neustadt, I think. Yes. Okay, Liechtenstein, Vaduz. The other ones is Balzers. Yes. And I don't remember the other cities in Liechtenstein. Okay. Let's go with the Netherlands. Rotterdam, Amsterdam, Den Haag, Groningen, Arnhem. What else? Eindhoven. Maastricht. Yes, a lot of cities that I know, but I cannot remember. It's incredible. Shame. Belgium, Brussels, Mons, Namur, Liège, Charleroi, Bastogne, Anvers, Depan, Ostende, Genk, Ghent, no, Ghent, yes. Namur, I have already, yes. Liège, Courtrai, yes. What is there? Mons, Namur, Charleroi, Liège, Bastogne. Don't remember. So then we have Ireland, Dublin, Cork, Dundalk, Limerick, Sligo, Dun something else. Dunmere? No. Don't remember. Belfast, Scotland, we have Inverness, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Wales, Cardiff, Swansea, Gwynedd, it's not a city, England, London, Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham, Leeds, York, Lancaster, Blackpool, Leicester, Southampton, Northampton, Newcastle, Portsmouth, Plymouth, Dover, Leeds I already, yes, Luton, Cheltenham, um, Lancaster I already think, Lancaster, West Bromwich, yes, I must think about the football teams. Okay, Norwich. Okay. Alright. The memory. I don't remember. I can come back later. It's not. It's okay. Luxembourg. Luxembourg. Dudelange. Differdange. Diekirch. Clairvaux. Esch sur Alzette. Schengen. Have I anything else? No. Switzerland. Berne, Basel, Genève, Sion, Montreux, Martigny, Fribourg, Basel, Berne, Valais, Vaud. No. No, it's the name of the region, Vaud, Switzerland. It's Vaud. Okay, never mind. What is there? Basel, Berne, Fribourg, Sitten. What is this? Sion, yes. Constance. With a K. Constance. It's in Germany. What's the other side of the lake? I don't remember. Okay. Malta, Valletta. Okay, so let's go for San Marino. The most useful knowledge I have is the San Marino cities. San Marino, Serravalle, Faetano, Fiorentino, Acquaviva, Domagnano, Borgo Maggiore. Yes, and how many? 7. So I missed 2 of them because there are 9 cities, but I don't remember the last ones. No, I don't remember. Maybe later. Italy. So Vatican. Rome. Let's go with the Giro d'Italia stages. So Palermo, Etna is not a city. Napoli, Foggia, Chieti, Ancona, Rimini, San Marino, San Rimini, Ravenna, Verona, Trento, Bormio. Okay, then there was Biella, Courmayeur, Torino, Savona, Genova, Firenze, and Grosseto, Roma. So then, Sicily, Palermo, Catania. Um, Salerno. No, Salerno. It's near Napoli. Um, don't remember. Sardinia, Cagliari, Sassari, Sassari. Oops. Reggio Calabria, Cosenza, Brindisi, Lecce, Benevento, Ancona, Foggia. It's near what? Taranto. There, near Foggia is. I don't remember. Pompeii. Yes. Oh, the island, Lampedusa. Yes. L'Aquila. Ok. Ancona, Rimini, Ravenna, Firenze, Venezia. Ok. Gorizia, Bolzano, Merano, Novara, Padua, Mantua, Parma, Pisa, Ferrare, Milano, Asti, Sanremo, Poggio. It's not the one, but yes. No, it's the name of the claim, the Poggio. Courmayeur, Aosta, Pont-Saint-Martin. In France, no, Pont-Saint-Martin, Italy. Okay. What I miss a lot of cities, obviously, but Pisa, Florence, Ravenna, Ferrara, Mantua, Sano Merano. What is there? My memory. How many cities I have? 49. I know a lot more, but don't remember. Monaco. I'll put this. Okay. Portugal. Lisboa, Porto, Évora, Faro, Coimbra, Beira, Villarreal. Villarreal, Portugal. Ok. Funchal, Madeira. What else? I don't remember. Gibraltar. Okay, Spain. Madrid. Boadilla del Monte. Let's go to the south. Sevilla, Granada, Almería, Murcia, Córdoba, Badajoz, Jaén, Jerez de la Frontera, Cádiz, la Línea de Concepción, la Línea de la Concepción, yes, near Gibraltar. Rennes, Almería, Sevilla, Córdoba, Murcia, Toledo, Segovia, Salamanca, Cáceres, Ciudad Real, Valencia. There is Um, don't remember. Zaragoza, Valladolid, Burgos, Salamanca, already done. Barcelona, Gijón, Palma de Mallorca, Manacor, Menorca, Minorque. Oops, Minorque. No, it's not the complete name. Don't remember. Pamplona, Bilbao, San Sebastian, Vitoria-Gasteiz, Santander, Hondarribia, Guernica, Urgel, CU de Urgel. Oh, come on. La CU d'Urgel. Yes. Thank you. There are Oviedo, Gijón, Gijón, Avilés, Lugo, Pontevedra, Santiago de Compostela, Vigo, Spain, what is there? There, between Valladolid and Oviedo. How many? 41. Oh. I miss so much things. Again. Okay. Doesn't matter. Andorra. Encamp. Pass de la Casa. La Massana. Engordany. No, it's not Engordany. Okay. In Spain, Tarragona. Tarragona. I don't remember how we spell it in Catalonia. No, okay. Okay. How many? 2 capitals? What is missing? Except France? Germany. Oh. So Berlin, Potsdam, Köln, Stuttgart, München, Frankfurt, Düsseldorf, Hanover, Hamburg, Kiel, Karlsruhe, Bremen, Rostock, Landshut, Garmisch-Partenkirchen, Baden-Baden, Saarbrücken. No, it's Saarbrück. Yes. Not? What? It's the French version. Yes. Saar-Louis. Okay. What? I miss so much things. Kiel, Bremen, Hamburg, Hannover, Stock, Düsseldorf, Köln, Frankfurt, Mannheim, Memmingen, Trèves, Aachen, Memmingen, Stuttgart, Clèves, Clèves, ok. Too much things. Beaune. Stuttgart, yes. Dortmund. I have to think about it. Ratisbonne. Okay. The name of the provinces and Europa Universalis. Ah. Incredible. I don't remember. 365 cities. Let's go for France then. So, Corsica, Bastia, Ajaccio, Corte, France. Okay. So, Paris. Let's go for the Tour de France stages. Strasbourg. Grand Ballon. Dijon, Lyon, Seyssel, Huez, Digne, Malocène, Marseille, Narbonne, Portet puis Morens, Bagnères de Luchon, Pau, Bayonne, Bordeaux, Aurillac, Clermont-Ferrand, Orléans, Paris. Ok, Brittany, Brest, France, Quimper, Vannes, Lorient, Rennes, Landivisio, Lannion, Locronan, Crozon, Camaret-sur-Mer, the famous priest of Camaret-sur-Mer, Mur de Bretagne, ok, Lorient, Vannes, Rennes, Saint-Malo, Vannes, no, I already, Vannes, there's no Vannes, Vannes, France, I already done, where? Vannes, yes, there. Okay, so there is that Van, it's, don't remember. The timer, 23 minutes. Okay, let's go. So La Rochelle, Mont-de-Marsan, Toulouse, Dax, Biarritz, Saint-Jean-de-Luz, Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, Luz-Saint-Sauveur, Andaille, Auch, Foix, Larens, Loudanvielle, Montpellier, Perpignan. So if we start with Perpignan, Orange, Fréjus, Hénin-Beaumont, and the last one is Béziers, of course. Toulouse, Auch, Foix, Bagnères-du-Champ, Loudanvielle, Luz, Saint-Sauveur, Larens, Lourdes, Bagnères de Bigorre, La Rochelle, already done, Saint-Nazaire, Lorient, Guingamp, okay, Guingamp, le Guilvenec, no, Plougastel, Paimpol, no, it's not like this, Paimpol, no, it's not, it's Paimpol, I will find it, Paimpol, okay, Montségur, ok, Toulouse, Auch, Mont-de-Marsan, Aurillac, Poitiers, Limoges, Niort, Saint-Pierre-des-Corps, Calais, Dunkerque, Cannes, Caen, Bayeux, Falaise, Cherbourg, Octeville, Deauville, Honfleur, Arromanches-les-Bains, Courseulles-sur-Mer, Luc-sur-Mer, The Special One, Anglesque-Ville-en-Auge, Holiday City, ok, Anglesque-Ville-en-Auge, Rouen, Le Havre, Lille, Roubaix, Tourcoing, Fâche-Tuménil, Amiens, Compiègne, Clermont-sur-Oise, Clermont, Clermont-en-Oise, ok, don't know, Le Mans, Sablé-sur-Sarthe, ok, Orléans, Bourges, Pithiviers, Étampes, Rambouillet, Let's Go for Paris, Saint-Denis, Montreuil, Courbevoie, Évry, Ivry, Mantes-la-Jolie, Levallois-Perret, Neuilly, Massy, Passy, Passy, France. No, it doesn't exist. Saclay, Orsay, I don't know the Paris region, so yes, okay. Gorgiac, Mont-d'Or. Oh, in Normandie, Camembert. Camembert, Livarot. Yes. So, Nice, Toulon, Saint-Tropez. In Austria, St. Pauli. No, Sankt. No, it's things. I don't remember. Nice, Villeneuve-Loubet, Roquebrune, Cap-Martin. Ok, Saint-Tropez, Toulon, Marseille, Aix-en-Provence, Aix-les-Bains, Annecy, Chambéry, Évian, Évian, France, Évian-les-Bains, ok, Thonon, Gaillard, Annecy, yes, c'est celle, Annecy, Aix-les-Bains, Chambéry, Argentine, Saint-Jean-de-Maurienne, US, ok, Sceaux, Banon, Bédouin, Revet du Bion, Bédouin, already, Digne, Digne, Manosque, Barcelonnette, Le Brusquet, Malmoisson, Malfougas, Malfougas-Ogès. Non, ok. Annonay, Privas, Davézieux, Villevaucance, Vaucance, Vence, Villevaucance, Peaugres, Saint-Julien, Molin-Molette, Saint-Bonnet-le-Froid, Peaugres, Davézieux, Vaucance, ok, Privas, Dijon, Gevrey-Chambertin, Vonne-Romanée, Nuit-Saint-Georges, Marsanet-la-Côte, Beaune, Chalon-sur-Saône, Villefranche-sur-Saône, Belleville, Mâcon, Cluny, Villeurbanne, Bourg-en-Bresse, Saint-Étienne, Romance, Valence, France, Vienne, France, ok, Royan, non, Royan, ok, Lège-Cap-Ferré, Cap-Ferré, Cap-Ferré, what, Lège-Cap-Ferré, what, I, non, ok, Arcachon, ok, there, Bourges, how many? 15 minutes. What I don't done, Montpellier, Aix-en-Provence, Béziers, Narbonne, Perpignan. Ok, there. Rennes, Pont-Sainte. What is there? Lille, Amiens. There we have Die, Saint-Dizier, Saint-Dié-des-Vosges, Épinal, Charleville-Mézières, Troyes, Cambrai, Soissons, Reims, Saint-Quentin, Épernay, Châlons en Champagne, Angoulême, Épinal 3, Épinal, what we have there, Saint-Dizier, Épinal, Saint-Dié-des-Vosges, Rambouilly, non, not Rambouilly, Remiremont, Raon-l'Étape, Raon-l'Étape, come on, ok, ok, so Belfort, Sévenance, Montbéliard, Sochaux, Dole, ok, Giromagny, Altkirch, Rop, Montrevieux, ok, Plainfin, ok, Metz, Nancy, Wappy, Amnéville, Saint-Avold, Forbach, Stiring-Wendel, Commercy, Vendeuvre-les-Nancy, how many? 12 minutes. I have to start there. Nancy, Metz, Stiring-Wendel, Sarreguemines, Lunéville, Thionville, ok, let's go. Falsbourg, Sarrebourg, Métain, Mittelbronn, what? Mittelbronn, ok. Dan, Weschheim, Walscheid, Plaine de Walch, Lorquin, Langat, Redin, what? Reading, United Kingdom. No, Redin, France. Rod en France. Tarquimpol. Falsbourg. Then Lutzelbourg, Beach. Beach, Sarreguemines, Sarre-Union, euh, Fénétrange, euh, euh, ok, Redin, Imelin, Saint-Jean-Courtserode, Saint-Jean-Courtserode, Aumartin, ok, Lixheim, Vieux Lixheim, ok, ok, let's go, Agno, Brumat, Saverne, Detwiller, Hauterswiller, Thal, Marmoutier, euh, Thal Switzerland, non, Thal France. Hein? What? Ok. Eckbolsheim, Ernoldsheim, Ernoldsheim, les Savernes. Non, ok. Neuvillers, les Savernes. Dossenheim sur Zinsel. Wingen sur Moder. Brouvillers. Brouvillers. Bouxwiller. Singrist. Vasselon. Soultz-les-Bains. Soultz-sous-Forêt. Morsbronn-les-Bains. Soultz-Mat. Avolsheim. Molsheim. Jamstedt. Dorlisheim. Vangen. Vangen, France. Vangen, Marlenheim. Vendenheim. Mondolsheim. Aubernay. Mutzig. Strasbourg. Ilkirch. Geispolsheim. Oberhausbergen. Mittelhausbergen. What? Mittelhausbergen. Niederhausbergen. Niederscheffolsheim. Lavensenau. Molsheim. Aubernay. Ok, Châtenois. Ribeauvillé. Villers. Berkheim. Berkheim, France. Célestat. Mulhouse. Colmar. Sausheim. Gardviller. Guebwiller. Orbay. Ensheim. Arenheim. Ittenheim. Furdenheim. Detwiller. Non, Detwiller. Detwiller. Ok. Oh. No. I can't stop there. Gardviller, Furdenheim. No, I want to zoom more. Châtenois, Münster, Münster, Germany. No, Münster, France. And there is in Münster in England, no? Münster in United Kingdom. United Kingdom. No, there's not Münster. Okay. Münster, it's there. Something there, yes. Ok. What do I miss? Argumin. Ittenheim, Arenheim, Fürdenheim. I miss so much things. It's how many? 6 minutes. Remiremont, Épinal. Vendeuvre, Nancy, Commercy, Metz, Wappy, Wappy, Thionville, Amnéville. 40 ans. What? No, it's not 40 ans. It's Cattenom. Fort-Calquier. The other one in Provence. There, it's not Fort-Calquier. It's I don't remember. Tarbes. I think yes, Tarbes. It's not. Angoulême. What is there? Poitiers, Niort, Angoulême. Amiens, Calais, Dunkerque. There. Langres. Ok. Vierzon. Vesoul. In Italy. Syracuse. Raguse. Ok. In Jura. Nemours. Nevers. Ruffenac. Non? Roufac? Double F. Ok. Saint-Quirin. Okay. In Germany, Germany. I have Kiel. I have Kiel. Yes, and Kiel. Yes. How many? 3 minutes. Russia. Kazan. Ufa. Astrakhan. Tambov. Did I put Tambov? Tambov, yes. Tver. It's complicated. Lausanne. Okay. There. What is Freiburg? Yes. Okay. I miss 4 cities over 1 million inhabitants. Okay. Something in Germany. In Russia, I think I miss a lot of cities. Is there? Oops. It's time to try some things like there's A, No. There's a city in France with one letter. Don't remember which. Condom, Gratibus, of course. Um, uh, Putlange au lac, incredible name. No? Double T? Oh, come on, not fun. Épernay-Soissons, Compiègne. Neuilly, Mantes. Francfort-Beaune. Yes, Düsseldorf, Münster. Bremen, Hanover, Potsdam, Berlin. I don't remember. Maybe Neustadt. Yes. Baia Mare. Okay. Neustadt in Germany. Yes. Okay. Neustadt in Austria. It's common name, so no. Neudorf. Spiska Nova Ves. Okay, Neudorf. Neudorf in Austria. Yes. Neudorf in Germany. Oops. Yes. Novigrad. Okay. Novigrad. Space. Yes. Okay. Argelès. Argelès Gazost. Porta. Prades. Oh, okay. Okay, it's the end. I, I, okay, I just okay. It's 666. Perfect. Okay, finish and save. Okay, yes. I just feared. Okay, 666. Okay, nice. So I miss 4 cities over 1 million inhabitants. The biggest cities, so Istanbul, Moscow, London, St. Petersburg, and Berlin. Of course, Madrid, Kiev, Rome, Bucharest, Paris, etc. The smallest cities, Galanti in Italy, Ovo in Italy, Evian in Italy. Okay. So the best country is France, obviously. Italy with 53. Spain 41. I'm disappointed because I know I'm a lot of cities in Spain, but with the stress I just forget everything. Germany 2. UK also. Okay, yes, Vatican, Monaco, obviously one city. Kosovo in Malta, I don't know anything else. San Marino, 7 cities. More cities in San Marino than in Croatia, Sweden, Hungary, Finland. It's just the most useful knowledge I have, the San Marino cities. So, what are the 4 cities? Voronezh, Perm, yes. Volgograd, Odessa, Tolati, Sheffield, Kryvyi Krasnodar, Bristol, Yaroslav, Essen, Malaga, yes, Malaga. Leipzig, oh, yes. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, that's it. That's pretty good, I think. I think. Oh, I think Simi has done like more than 700. Uh, so yes, I'm not the best, but yes, it's not a problem. So it was fun. It was a fun challenge. It's quite hard for me as I didn't have traveled a lot. So everything I know is thanks to video games actually. So yes, but yes, it was nice. Okay, 666 cities, 170 million of inhabitants. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you are interested in this challenge, don't hesitate to do it and to record it, uh, to see if you are better than me. It's it will not be hard, I think. If you didn't know where I come from, now you know. um, but it's incredible because I know that I know a lot of cities, but with during the challenge it's so hard to remember. And as we cannot zoom more than that, I don't see what I miss actually. Uh, I can see blank spaces, but um, I I don't know there by looking. It's difficult. Even in France, I have missed so much things. I think. So okay, thank you and bye.